Aw, man, it looks like LA gonna keep Tory Lanez, but they gonna let ASAP Rocky walk free. Yep, you heard it right, man. After 2 weeks, a trial from hell, ASAP Rocky just got his verdict, and guess what? Not guilty. And my boy celebrated in the most proper Negro fashion possible, swag surfing and stage diving into the LA courthouse crowd straight into Rihanna's arms.
Court, County of Los Angeles. People of the state of California versus Joaquin Mayers. Case number BA 508142-01. We, the jury in the above entitled action, find the defendant, Joaquin Mayers, not guilty of
Now listen, I ain't mad at him. If I had a billionaire wifey who I was in love with and got kids by, I'd be fighting for my freedom like my last name was Mandela. Now a quick recap for the folks who missed it. ASAP Rocky was arrested and charged with assault with a firearm of a November 6th incident 2021 for allegedly, well, I guess we could say not guilty, accusing him of shooting his former homie ASAP Relly. Now, to my recollection, what the beef was about was funeral costs. Yep, some of the crew wanted Rocky to pay up for a lost friend's funeral, a former ASAP member. But the crazy part was that Rocky allegedly had already paid. And Relly felt like Rocky wasn't doing enough. He called him out and things escalated. Fast forward to the Hollywood streets, allegedly a meetup happened and ASAP Rocky let off shots at Relly. But here's where things got messy. There was no evidence to prove that ASAP Rocky did the shooting. ASAP Rocky claimed that the gun was a prop gun that he walked around with for protection and not a real one. Now, he did have a license to carry in LA, so that wasn't an issue, but you know, the play is the play. Now, Relly didn't report this until 2 days later that he was shot, and there were no shell casings found at the scene. Allegedly, he never even checked into the hospital after saying he was only shot and grazed in the knuckles. Relly even pulled up with his own evidence after 7 police officers responded 2 days later and could not find any shell casings. Yes, Relly pulled up with his own evidence like he was an off-duty detective. Yo, here go 2 shell casings. Bruh, tell me why this man walked into the police station days later with 2 shell casings talking about, yeah, these are from the scene. I did my own forensics, sir. Are you CSI Hollywood? What the hell is going on? Now, Rocky turned down a sweet deal. Before the trial, they offered him 6 months in jail, a few years of probation, and a chance to walk without a serious stain on his record. A lot of folks would have taken that and called it a day, including me. But Rocky said, nah, I'm standing on business. Why? Because he knew that a felony could mess up his bag, restrict his travel, and cost him major brand deals. Yeah, he got Rihanna, but let's be real, ain't no man trying to be on allowance from his girl forever. And let's not forget, if he lost, he was facing up to 24 years. Yes, a Kobe piece. Now, how he got off? At the end of the day, Relly was a terrible witness. He was emotional, he had outbursts, he was inconsistent, and he couldn't keep his story straight. At one point, he told the defense that they were liars and that they were using AI to frame him, and they were just trying to get to the nitty gritty. Now, his whole case was weak because it was built on vibes and not facts. Rocky had a strong legal team and enough money to fight this properly, which, let's be real, is how justice works in America. If you got money, you got options. If you don't, you're fighting with your back against the wall. Now, my final thoughts are, man, I ain't gonna lie. I think ASAP Rocky absolutely did that shit. Whatever they said he did, he did. But I also think He played the situation smart, and he was fortunate and lucky enough to where the cameras didn't pick up everything, especially the key parts. Neither the assault, neither was him pointing the gun. It was no witnesses, no hard evidence. He benefited from the gaps in the case, and now he gets to go home to Rihanna and his kids. The real question is, would you have risked it like he did? Would you have taken a 6-month deal, or would you just bet on beating a 24-year sentence? Y'all let me know in the comments, man. Like, share, subscribe, comment, hit that notification bell. We out, baby. Boom! BigJusLaFlare.
It's him.